Hey everyone, welcome back to another banger video on the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I made this speed ramp edits with just using simple graph settings. Trust me, after watching this tutorial, you'll conquer this and make edits like a pro. But before that, I wanna tell you guys that all these edits you would be watching on my channel are all made by me on CapCut. So without further delay, let's see the preview. So before we dive into the tutorial, guys, if you are a true editor and new to my channel, do subscribe for more content. At first, organize your clips and ratio. Now mark beats. And after that, we're going to add graph to all clips. Now use this graph method to get smooth flow in your clips. Follow my steps to understand it perfectly, and remember to make clips duration according to beats. Now duplicate the clip and reverse it. You can see how smooth it became after following this graph method. Now apply the exact same graph method to all clips to create a flow. It's done. You can see the result. To make it more smooth, we're going to add zoom effect to clips. Follow my steps. Add keyframes and increase the scale up to 20%. And now go to graphs and copy this. Do same with all. Now after all these things, next step is to make this effect. To do this, make a new project and add this green background. Now add your clip as an overlay. As you know how easy it is to add stroke on a video in a light motion, but in CapCut there is no option for that. So to create a stroke on a video, we're gonna add white overlay and mask it like this. Now export it. Come to main project and add the video. But before that, mark the beats. Now create more like this and add to main project. After adding all videos, make zoom in effect. Scale it up to 10%. Add flash and animation and it's done. Now for the first transition, do this. Now it's done. I hope you liked the video.